Hi, this is Jitesh Satyan, WhatsApp number +91 9656611 Today's short talk is part of series on Prapancha Saratantra, 9th chapter on Tribhura Vidya. The verse and meaning will be covered. We covered verses till number 24. Now coming to verse 25. Romanja Kanchukita Gatra Lathaganodhya Uttunga Peenakuja Kumbha Nipiditangya ഔസ്തുക്യ ഭാരപൃഥുവേ പതുഖേദഹിന്ന പാദാരവിന്ദ ചലനസ്ഖലിതാഭിഘാത. Just like Vakbhava has an internal benefit of power over words and external reflection as creativity and poems, similarly Kamaraja has internal benefit of power over mind and senses and external reflection as ability to attract. This verse mentions that the ability to attract is so powerful that it penetrates the skin and body hair. The person who is attracted starts moving carelessly to the sadhak, pulled by the power of attraction in Kamaraja, in order to lose interest in desire. Any hidden desires for person, wealth, possession, or something else the sadhak may have forgotten comes to the sadhak even without the sadhak showing interest to get it, is the significance that is brought out in this verse. Marasayaka Nipada Dharita Raga Sagara Nimagnamurtaya Shwasamaruda Tarangidadhara Bashpa Pura Bhara Vikvalekshana. Further details as given is that a person who gets attracted is filled with so much desire to be with the sadhak that it impacts the way the person behaves. The breathing pattern, looks and other features all shows the power of Kamaraja to attract. Mastagara Chidador Dvaya Jwali Prabhuda Harina Shavalojana Vam Chidartha Karanodvatascha Tat Dushtipatamapi Samnyamandita. Not only is the attraction on the sadhak, but it is also on whatever the sadhak sees. The deeper meaning can be inferred from this verse if the listener is familiar with the 10 bulls of Zen. So in the 10 bulls of Zen, there is a verse saying, riding the bull home, which corresponds to whoever hears this melody will join me. So the meaning is that the words, the radiating energy and acts of such a person is so powerful that a person who has got Siddhi of Kamaraja is so powerful that many follow this transformed person as presence and interactions with the sadhak creates many who is interested to follow the spiritual path. And in 10 Bulls of Zen, the verse on return to society, which says, now before me the dead trees become alive. So the sadhak with Siddhi of Kamaraja sees all pervading consciousness as present in everyone. So those who are being guided or attracted to follow the path is also pure consciousness, waiting to realize their true nature, which the sadhak already sees. So this is the hidden meaning in this particular verse. If the listener is not familiar with the 10 Bulls of Zen, then it is suggested to listen to the detailed explanation on the 10 Bulls of Zen, which is also available in this channel. Thanks for listening.